Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah, this is Nobius Beauty. Today I'm reviewing the Purito Oat PDRN Refining Toner. Really quick, this video is brought to you by me, Nobius Beauty. Check out the link on the website. I'll link to it below. I've got a cosmetics bag as well as some airless jars and some other tubes, airless tubes that we've got. Cameraman has a 3-pack of these guys. And if you're lucky, I'll throw something extra in there. Okay, so on to the toner. So they say, Purito says, get ready to nourish your skin with the refining powers of oat seed water and pure oat PDRN. The oat PDRN pampers your skin with a hefty dose of hydration while keeping your skin barrier healthy and radiance. Keeping your skin barrier healthy and radiance strong. Okay. Vegan, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic, the lightweight toner is the ultimate holy grail for acne-prone skin. Okay, on to my first criteria, and really quick, I purchased this with my own money, so I can say whatever the heck I want about it, which I like. Okay, packaging, we've got a plastic bottle, no issues with that. It's effective, efficient, plastic bottle. There's no denatured drying types of alcohol, there's no fragrance or scent in this, and it is manufactured in Korea. Sometimes they mention a specific manufacturer on these. Distributed by Nature Inc. I don't know. Okay. There we go. Okay, ease of use. So this one's got a milky texture. So the texture of it isn't terribly thick. So it's kind of milky but lightweight enough. So you could apply this with your hand or you could apply this with a cotton pad. I've typically been patting this on or using it with a cotton pad. It just depends on which routine I'm using it in. So sometimes if I'm using it at night, I like to use a cotton pad after cleansing because I feel like it helps just remove any leftover oil or makeup that may have not been removed by my cleansing, which typically most of it's removed, but I do like using that. Or you can just put a little bit on the palms of your hands and just pat it onto skin. Or if your skin's really dry, some people like to put a couple layers of it on. So yeah, so it's nice. Once it soaks in, it sets to a natural finish. Non-sticky, non-tacky, doesn't feel like anything really. So very nice finish, easy to use, no issues at all with that. In terms of beneficial ingredients of this one, so the main ingredient star of the show is oat seed water, which is soothing, and it's also barrier repairing and improves skin plumpness, slows transepidermal water loss, so it helps hold your skin and helps your skin hold in moisture better. Contains Panthenol, which is a great soothing ingredient. We've got Ceramide, NP, skin identical ingredient, barrier repairing. We've got licorice root, which is great for brightening and soothing. Then we've got oat seed extract, soothing ingredient, great for dry skin or itchy skin or skin prone to eczema. We've got Beta-Glucan, amazing ingredient, wound healing, skin soothing, antioxidant, and even anti-aging. We've got oat PDRN, so there's different types of PDRN. I'm not totally sold on PDRN as an anti-aging thing, but it is the trend of the minute. All the brands now have released their PDRN products. It's just basically, they use specifically oat PDRN. A lot of other brands use salmon-derived PDRN, brands like Glycerin, but a lot of other brands are using plant-derived. It's basically DNA fragments extracted from oats. It's used in this product as a vegan alternative to salmon. Am I sold on it? I notice benefits a little bit from some of the salmon-derived PDRN, specifically Glycerin, but I haven't noticed like real anti-aging benefits from an oat-derived PDRN. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. It probably is just very, very slowly effective, maybe a little bit, but anyway, I think the salmon-derived PDRN is probably a little bit more hard-hitting or effective or efficient, but nothing wrong with oat-derived PDRN on its own. We've got Arginine, which is a natural moisturizing factor and skin identical ingredient. So no issues with it. It's a simple formula. It doesn't contain a ton of ingredients, which is nice for sensitive skin or acne-prone skin as well. In terms of animal testing, it is vegan as well as cruelty-free. It says on the bottle, which is nice. I like that. I wish all products either had a vegan seal, a cruelty-free seal, or a not cruelty-free, not vegan. You know what I mean? Just like pick the stamps. It would be nice that if brands that weren't cruelty-free just had to state that they weren't. You know what I mean? Instead of being secretly hiding it like, oh, we like ethics in animals and, well, we don't test them ourselves. They may be you know what I mean? All that BS stuff. I wish we could do that. I think that would make a big difference. But anyway, okay, it's my idea. Okay, in terms of performance, so this does a nice job soothing, dry and irritated skin, not drying skin. Actually, it's been a nice addition into my winter routine, which in the winter it tends to get dry. My skin gets, irritated or itchy or flaky. It's really snowy out today, so I don't like that. This works well under a good moisturizer as well, so it really is nice for calming skin down. If my skin is extra dry or flaky, I'll just pat it on with my hands, which seems to work well. And then you get a little bit that goes a very long way, which is nice. So this is friendly for all skin types, including dry, sensitive, or oily. For acne-prone skin, it's pretty friendly as well. The only ingredient of note is glyceryl stearate, and it's very, 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 very low on the comedogenic scale. I think the comedogenic scale goes from like 1 to 5 maybe, or something like that, and that's like a 1, being very, for the most part, not an issue. So in terms of price, the full size, 200 milliliters, 6.76 ounces, retails for $15. And after about a month, this product will probably last me, I would say, 3 months maybe, 4 months. So I haven't been going through it too fast, which is nice. Although, when you use it on cotton pad, it tends to soak up more and then you go through it a lot faster. So that's something to consider. But if you just pat this on, it'll last a long time. In terms of the it factor, I like this toner. It has everything going for it. It's affordable, it's cruelty-free, it's friendly for all skin types, which is nice. That's what Purito does well. Before all their sunscreen scandal, before all of that, this is what they do well. They make products for the masses that are gentle, that are affordable, they're cruelty-free. So almost anyone can add this into their routine and be okay with it. And that's what they do well, and they did a good job with this and with that mission. When they had their sunscreen scandal, I kind of fell off the Purito train. But this is bringing me back to why I initially did like the brand, because it's affordable, it's cruelty-free, it's all good. So, okay, so yeah, I can't say anything bad about it. So I couldn't find any close dupes or alternatives. I found a few that are somewhat similar, but they're still pretty different. So the closest dupes I could find, the Byoma Hydrating Milky Toner, the VT PDRN Phyto Toner, and the Kaine Lavender PDRN Revitalizing Toner are all the closest alternatives I can find, and they're not super similar to this, but there's some alternatives. I'm not sure about that, the Kaine Lavender PDRN Toner. I'm not a crazy lavender fan, so anyway, okay, with the 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 10.
Whoa.
Whoa, cameraman's fired up. Whoa. Extreme close-up. Right? Is that from Wayne's World?
Yeah.
Extreme close-up. Anyway, curious if you guys have had a chance to check it out yet. And if you have, what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Hold it close to the camera so I can see your face. Now set it down. Set it down and point. No, point up. Up to the left. No, closer to your, there, okay. Now to your right. No, closer to your head, there, down, your head, hand down. No, your hand, keep hand down. Perfect.